So here we are with the MOFREE Cassette Design Case for the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3, which I absolutely love. Now, of course, this has a retro design to it, but it also has a modern touch, and that's because of the LED indicator that's built into the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 case. This case also reminds me of the mixtape that Star-Lord has from Guardians of the Galaxy, just because of the overall design. Now, this isn't branded as a Guardians of the Galaxy product, but again, just that design theme that we have there. We also have the similar font that could be seen on his mixtape, though the wording is different here. So it'll say here, was he slow? Mixtape. Just nice little text there. That's a reminder of that film for me personally. So the unboxing was very simple here. It actually wasn't an unboxing. It was, I guess you'd say, an unsleeving, because all of these contents came in a sleeve, a plastic sleeve, kind of like a Ziploc bag. So of course we're going to have the cassette design case. Then we're going to have a wrist strap, which is convenient for carrying the Galaxy Buds 3 in this case. And then we're going to have a cleaning kit for the earbuds. That's a plus there. Interesting note, we don't have any adhesives here, and that's fine by me because I normally don't install adhesives on these cases anyways. Since earbuds are known to collect dirt, grime, bacteria, you want to be able to disassemble the kit for occasional cleaning. So that being said, this case does fit very snug, but it's also fairly easy to remove for the cleaning process. So we have the top lid off, and then we're going to have the bottom portion off. And there we have the Galaxy Buds 3. As you can imagine, installation is the opposite here. So I'm going to start with the bottom portion here, and we're just going to press that into place. Now, the most important thing is just lining everything up here. But once everything is lined up and in place, again, this fits really nice. So again, although we don't have any adhesive here, this stays on really well, and it also comes off easy enough for the cleaning. Now, I do want to point out there is no latch mechanism here, but that's okay because the Galaxy Buds 3 case itself has magnetism built in. So this isn't just going to randomly open. And I also couldn't get it to open by flicking it hard enough. So that's very reassuring as well. So overall feel of this case is going to be a soft rubber. You might even be able to tell in this video that it does flex a little bit, which feels nice and squishy in a sense. So just something to think about there. Now, as for coverage, it's going to be overall good here. There is a gap in the back side, which I've seen with my Spigen case. So that seems to be normal with these cases for the Galaxy Buds 3. But then we're going to have cutouts and button coverage on the bottom. So we have a cutout for the USB-C port, which is okay. It could be a little bit larger because depending on the end of the USB-C cable that you're using, it may interfere with the cutout a little bit, but I've been able to wiggle and push it into place with a bit more effort. And then we have coverage for the sync or the parent button. And then of course on the front of the case, we're going to have a clear transparent portion so that we could see the LED indicator there. So that's really nice, and this adds to the modernization of this cassette themed case, is that LED indicator passing through. It kind of makes it look like this is actually playing, like it's actually working. I think that's really cool too. But then we have the question of wireless charging, which of course occurs on the back of the Galaxy Buds 3. And I've noticed, not just with this case, but the Spigen case I've also demoed, wireless charging doesn't seem to work all that great with a case on these Galaxy Buds 3. So you may have to go naked to actually use the wireless charging feature, or just resort to that USB-C cable. Again, this kit ships with a tether, so I'll go ahead and install that. I'm going to feed it right through the ear here, and then we'll put the other portion through as well. And then I'll just kind of snake it through here. It looks really nice. So again, that should do the job. And it also looks adjustable here. So I can open it up. I can put my wrist right through. and then I can tighten it. So that's going to work pretty good there. It's going to give us some confidence if we're carrying this by the wrist strap or just by carrying it like this, that we're not actually going to drop it. So that's pretty good too. That's pretty nice to see. And then of course we're going to have the cleaning kit here. And this is actually very important, not only for keeping your earbuds looking nice and in tip-top shape, but also to clean your earbuds regularly so that you prevent ear infections. And I'm thinking I'm probably going to make a separate video of this, but it looks like we have 2 tools here, or maybe 3. So we've got a foam portion here. It looks like we have some kind of a pick, and then we've got this other end. It's like a foam Q-tip kind of style thing right there, and all of this kind of folds up, so that's really nice for a portable concept. So overall this kit is well rounded, and I actually like this case a lot. Again, it's a retro styled cassette design case with a modern touch, and again it just gives me the Star-Lord Guardians of the Galaxy vibe there. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.